Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also well, welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct your Agriculture Studies class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is from chapter 5, lesson 1 to 3, 4 discussion. Students, I have summarized the 4 lessons here, and hopefully after observing all this, if you go through the book, it would be clear to you what's written on the book. Chapter 5, it's about agricultural production. That means how to produce few crops in agricultural productions. Dear students, in your book you can see the picture of white, shrimp, mushroom and cow. So in this lesson these 4 things cultivation are discussed. Lesson 1, cultivation method of wheat. Wheat is the main staple food in many countries of the world, okay, and for this reason it contains a great importance in food of the world, okay. In our country, basically Dinajpur, Rangpur, Chakurgaon, Rajshahi, Pabna, Bogura, Jamalpur, Jessore and Kustia produces more wheat, okay. And dear students, to get more harvest, farmers need to sow the seeds of wheat in proper time. Especially in our country, from November to December, these crops are planted at the field. Then seed rate. Dear students, if the seeds are good, then the germination power of the seeds would be good. So the farmers will get more harvest. So selection of seed is too much important. Method of sowing seeds. Farmers need to apply or follow proper method in sowing the seeds of wheat. Irrigation. For the case of wheat irrigation, farmers need to apply irrigation for 2 or 3 times. Wheat control. Farmers need to control the wheat from the field. Then farmer will harvest the crop. Okay. Then lesson 2, intercultural operations and other technologies of wheat cultivation. Farmers should try to cultivate wheat in minimum tillage. Then disease control in wheat cultivation is too much important to the farmers, because if the plants of wheat are affected by the disease, then the farmers would not get proper or good harvest. Rat infestation is a significant problem. Okay, in cultivating wheat, farmers need to be aware of this problem. Then leaf rust disease. This is a disease for leaf. Okay. Then leaf spot disease. When this leaves get spotted, it also called a disease. Root disease. Dear students, sometimes the root of wheat plant also get affected by disease. Dear students, now lesson 3, importance of mushroom cultivation. Dear students, you know that mushroom is a popular food throughout the world. Mushroom is such a type of fungi which is fully suitable as food. It's tasty and has medicinal qualities. That means for health it's very much good or healthy. Mushroom and umbrella of toads are different. Dear students, it was our thinking that whether mushroom and umbrella of toad is the same thing or different thing. It's totally different thing. Actually, mushroom is full of nutrient. It also contains protein, vitamin and minerals at a very high level. Mushroom cultivation is commercially very profitable. Dear students, nowadays if the farmers cultivate mushroom, they will get benefit to a great extent because mushroom cultivation is a profitable business in our country to a very recent decades. Now, lesson 4, cultivation method of mushroom. Dear students, now in lesson 4 we will learn about how to cultivate mushroom and how to get more mushroom. Okay. Many species of mushrooms are cultivated in different seasons. Dear students, you know that there are a lot of kinds of mushrooms in the world, and although there are a great variety of mushrooms, so farmers need to cultivate the mushrooms or need to harvest the mushroom in different times of the seasons. Milky, Rishi, Staro. These are 3 types of mushrooms and they are cultivated in summer season. Shaitek, Baton, Shimji, Shimaji, Inoki. These 4 types of mushrooms are cultivated especially in winter season. So to cultivate mushrooms, season or time is too much important for the farmers to be followed. Preparing the culture house. Farmers need to prepare the culture house at first. Then collection of spawn. Then farmers need to collect the spawn, cutting the packet. After collecting the spawn, farmers need to cut the packet in a proper shape. Aftercare. After this, farmers need to take care it properly. Other cares. Besides this, farmers need to take other cares of the mushrooms. Mushroom harvest and preservation. At the end, farmers need to harvest the mushrooms and preserve it, or they can sell it in the market. This is all about the cultivation of mushroom. Okay. You have homework number 4. Make 5 MCQ from these 4 lessons. Dear students, this is the end of the today's class. I hope you all got understood today's class, and after observing the class you will go through the book, and I hope that would be very much easier to you to understand. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.